Today in this video we are going to do a quick technical analysis on SOUN stock, but before starting our video I want to tell you about a Telegram channel where I post regular market updates. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, the link will be given in the description box. Here you have clearly seen that SoundHound was traded near about $5.18 and it was traded near a support area, near a demand area where this stock tries to take a support from that level. If this stock takes a support from that level, then it will be give you a huge return, and the target price, first target price should be near about $18. So if you're thinking to buy this stock, then definitely you can buy it from here by putting your stop loss 4.50 will be your stop loss, and your target price, first target price should be near about $8 and the second target price will be near about $10. If you have already bought this stock, then you have to place your stop loss at the price of 4.50 and your first target should be $8 and the second target should be near $10. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, link will be given in the description box. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.